Okay, now we have all the prizes. Aman, can I have you here? We want to thank the umpiring team. I would like Rasik to do the honors to the umpiring team.
To come here at 7 o'clock and be here, Atul video team and the umpires. If you could do the honors, it's a privilege. Jeet, Atul sir, team good hai. Itala bolo na. Shivam, Vedant Shivam, Shivam Shukla, Atul videos, आपके दो आदमी. If you could. हम तहे दिल से शुक्रगुजार हैं अतुल वीडियोस. सुबह 7 बजे का मैच के लिए 6:30 बजे यहाँ आना और रात को 11 बजे. अतुल सर, what a clarity, and people are just loving the pictures. Thank you so much on behalf of you. I thank the umpires and the Atul video team. फोटो 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 आपको उसको फोटो निकालना है. परेश आ ना, परेश अमन आ जा. Give them a big round of applause, team. Thank you, Atul Videos. Thank you, Jeet. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
He scored 130 runs. We would like Ankit from Vrindavan to give the award to Vatsal. He had special wishes from Yemen. Okay. Next is the Best Bowler Award. Best Bowler is from the winning team, Vraj Patel.
So there has been a mistake. Sorry, Vatsal. The best batsman is Aniket Jaiswal. Vatsal, we might have to call you back to give away the trophy.
Sorry.
Vatsal has scored 134 and Aniket Jaiswal has scored 144 runs. The score of the last match was not updated on Crick Heroes. All right. Thank you, Aniket from Vrindavan.
We have another band. We want to give him अच्छा खेला. हमारे पास है ना कुछ. क्या देगा तू? मैं इधर दे रहा है ना.
Okay. Okay, fine. So for the next award is the most impactful player of the season. And I'm sorry for giving him the wrong award, but this is the one he deserves. Vatsal Mehta.
Coming thrice on the stage.
नहीं ये नहीं देना.
Anju Aunty presenting the award from Teachers Fraternity. And he's the student from Anju Kotari classes.
Next is for the Emerging Player Award. This year we've seen 6-7 key emerging players, good youngsters, couple of them from Bazigar, couple of them from Desi Boys. It was very difficult to evaluate, but we went with the overall performance, that is batting, bowling and fielding. The award goes to Vihan Girme. Vihan.
Rehan Girme, what a player.
Ruchi aunty.
Even in all the difficult
Ruchi
situations,
aunty,
he
Ruchi
gave
aunty.
away only 3 to 4 runs in an over.
रुचि आंटी एक्चुअली रस्ते दिलाते हैं वो दूसरा दिलाता हूं ना आप ये दो अरे आप दो ना
एक अनोखा क्लासेस है 2 सिल्वर कॉइन है ये सिल्वर कॉइन राकेश बटरफील्ड का
ओके नेक्स्ट इज फॉर द बेस्ट फील्डर ये आदमी मानते ही नहीं अवार्ड लिए बिना जाए राकेश भट्ट सर बैटिंग नहीं तो बॉलिंग बॉलिंग नहीं तो एमवीपी
ये क्या हुआ
और इनके लिए स्पेशल गिफ्ट था हमारे पास.
पहले से ही इनकी वाइफ के नाम का बॉटल बना लिया था
और
पता था
ये-
ये कुछ तो लेके जाएंगे
और ये लकी बॉटल थी हमारे युवा ग्रुप पे डिस्कस हो रहा था जिसके पास ये बॉटल जाएगी उसी के पास ये ट्रॉफी जाएगी. एंड राकेश भट्ट वेल डिजर्विंग.
ओके थैंक यू सर Yeah. So just before the runners up and winners, we have some more awards for the fantasy, right? Yeah, just go ahead.
So this time we had a new initiative where we had a completely automated crick battle which took the scoring from Crick Heroes. And to be very honest, I'm kind of proud to say that 75 teams got registered in the fantasy league, and we had day-wise events and day-wise awards. So I'll go with the day one event first. First award goes to Aditya Malia. He wins the cash prize of 300 for day one. Second goes to Vraj. Vraj, please come on stage and collect the award. Uncle, yeah, what is the name? हाँ. नहीं, 5 है और. For round two is Devendra Parab for as winner and Naveen Jhawar for second. Savant Ka Vada Pav is the team name that he had. For round 3, I request Pranav Ahuja. You played really well, but then you are the winner for round 3, and Karthik as the runner-up.
अच्छा मालिया का है क्या
एक सेकंड. हाँ तो राउंड 3 जीता तो. Round 3 winner. For the overall tournament, we have 5 winners. The winner gets 800 cash prize. Again, it goes to Devendra Parab, Aditya Malia, Priyanshi Agarwal, Girish Chopra, and Shubham Jaiswal. देवेंद्र भैया इवेंट विनर. देवेंद्र भैया प्लीज कम ऑन स्टेज. हाँ ये इवेंट विनर देवेंद्र भैया. फिर ये गौतम के लिए. ये गौतम का है. हाँ ये थर्ड. ये गौतम का है. ये प्रियांशी. और ये शुभम जायसवाल.
शुभम So we have moving on to the finals. We have special prize from Annu Agarwal classes, silver coins for the best players from both the teams, one silver coin goes to Aniket Jaiswal, and another silver coin goes to Sagar Giralter. I would request Amog to come and give the. Sorry, wait. Anu auntie to come and give the award. For Sagar. Anu auntie, you can stay for Girish Chopra baki fourth. Uncle, Fantasy League fourth position.
कितने पैसे शेयर कर लेंगे आप?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So now for the first time in season 10, we started off with 11 teams. And this year, for the first time, we have an award for third finishing team, that's second runners up. So would like to call both the semi-finalists, Desi Boys, Soumya and Vinod from Dabangs. We have a cash prize for 5,000 rupees each for both the teams. Soumya from Desi Boys
And Vinod.
or Sai Shetty or Vinod, anyone around?
Vinod Jaiswal.
Aman Maheshka, can you collect it on behalf of Desi Boys?
Aman Mahesh ka Vian Gir mein anyone?
And Dabang, anyone from Dabangs? Are Aman, tu to aayi ja. Acha, Amog is there.
Amog is there.
Amog will collect on behalf of Dabangs and Aman on behalf of.
हो गया Amog आ गया.
Okay, now for the well-fought contest, but ended up on a losing side, we would like to call upon the runners-up of season 10, Team Khiladis. They played extremely well, one off game and the trophy slipped off. This year, the winning amount for the runners-up is 30,000 rupees.
पहले उनका एक ऐसी फोटो निकालना है।
एक मिनट ऊपर ले लो, ये पकड़ो. Congratulations, Khiladis. I think this is your third trophy. And now can we call upon Mohinder Garg, the owner of Duya, our main sponsor. Mohinder uncle, can we have you on stage? Would like to thank you for sponsoring us. Our main sponsor, Duya.
I think any event
Yes.
requires the financial muscle, and this being the 10th edition, Mr. Garg was kind enough to ensure that all the financial muscle is with the YPL team. Thank you, Mr. Garg.
So, India was the first team to retain the trophy and win it for the third time. Team Bazigars!
Come on! Team Bazigars!
Please come to collect your award. We would also like to announce this is the first time UA is giving a cash prize of 50,000 rupees. Sumit? अरे 3 बार अपने हमसे वापस जाओ अरे अच्छे से वॉक करके आओ ना रुको चैंपियन
इसको एक को पकड़ने दो.
रोहित अंकल 50,000 कैश भी लो थैंक यू अंकल थैंक यू सो मच बाजीगर्स टू है दूसरी बार जीते बैक टू बैक अमोक रैप अप करना स्टम्प सॉन्ग्स ले लेना रैप अप करके सर तीनों माइक